Hey there, what's going on? It's your boy Dave here. And today we're going to dive into something we all need a little bit of guidance on from time to time, and that's credit repair. I'm talking quick wins that can boost your credit score faster than you'd think. So let's jump right in. So, first things first, let's tackle credit report errors. You'd be surprised how often these little blips can drag your score down. Grab a free report from sites like annualcreditreport.com or the credit bureaus directly and scour it for any mistakes. You can dispute them right away. This can give your score an immediate lift. Next up, let's talk about credit utilization. It's a fancy term, but the concept is simple. Keep your credit card balances low compared to your total credit limit. Aim for under 30% or lower if you can, ideally between 1 to 10%. This shows lenders you're not just living off of your credit cards, which is always a good look. Here's a quick trick. Ask for a higher credit limit. Now, this doesn't mean you should spend more. Instead, it lowers your credit utilization ratio, which can bump your score. Just be responsible, all right? Payment history is huge, so let's make sure yours is spotless. Set up payment reminders with, better yet, automatic payments. Late payments can be a major setback, so staying on top of this is key. And lastly, consider becoming an authorized user on a family member's credit card account. Choose someone with a stellar payment history. Their good credit can reflect positively on you. But remember, this is a two-way street. You need to be responsible too. So there you have it. Some simple, effective steps to get your credit score climbing. Stay diligent, stay smart, and remember, these small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more no-nonsense financial advice. For more detailed guides, check out the link in my bio and keep pushing forward. You'll see those numbers rise before you know it.